Bonjour, welcome back. Today we'll be going over one of the lunch pastas. We've got a cashew and arugula pesto with radishes, snap peas, and finished with some pecorino romano. Let's check a look. We'll start with a little bit of butter, and a little bit of our oil, and some garlic and shallot. Get that sweating. A couple snap peas. They are in season here. All right. Now they've got some good color, some good sweat, we'll add our cashew and arugula pesto. A little bit of white wine to the glaze. Now this is warm. Let's get our pasta going. Salt and pepper. A splash of sherry vinegar. A couple good tosses. Let's wait. And to finish, we've got some shaved radishes. A little bit of pecorino cheese. And since we've got shaved radishes, we'll have some small radish greens as well on top. And there we have it, our new pesto pasta. We open for lunch on April 6th. Come in and give it a try. Tell us what you think. We'll see ya.